So this is a Skybolt 6 valve cover that we got at the estate sale from one of our club members. So it's, as you can see, very, very greasy. It looked like it had been sitting there for quite a while, several years in fact. Lots of sludge inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and clean this one up and maybe get some before and after shots. I've had success in the past cleaning these valve covers, so just wanted to kind of show my process. It's been soaking for at least an hour or so from here on with just regular old detergent. And here I've got a mix of different chemicals, including degreaser and CLR. So I'm going to use that, but one of the best things that I've learned to use is called Bonami, which is just a basic cleanser. It's actually ground up some type of rock, some type of mineral or rock, and it's got an abrasive, it works basically by using abrasion to clean off any grease or grime. So let's get started.